Hello. So, apparently, my phone didn't like a half an hour video after all. It was only 27 minutes. So, I just started another run, another recording, because I can. I'm a rebel. Alright, let's get back to chopping these trees. I'll just post these in succession. Come on, please. There we go. Phone keeps sliding back. Yes, I'm videoing this on my phone. But it's what I got, and it works. What others should I chop? Ew, nasty. Rotten flesh. I want dirt. I don't want dirt. Holy shamoly. That friggin' scared me hardcore. Ooh. Ooh, looky here. Spooky. Oops, wrong button. There we go. Let's see. Let's get this stuff done right here now. Take both of you out. You know that. Okay? Just to get it done. I'll take you out too. Okay, that should be enough. I saw something drip down. And I was like, whoa, what was that? Okay, now... No! Wrong thing! That was annoying. Okay. Switch dirt with wood. Like that. And then we go do that and that. And then we chop down the tree. Wrong button. I know, too far. Okay. Keep chop. Well, just keep chopping, just keep chopping. This is so much fun. Whoa, okay, let's see. I did not expect it to be that low. What do you know? It's that low. I'm crazy and I know it. What tree should I cut down now? This one. So yeah, I'm making charcoal so I can get some, so I can cook easier, and I'm going to be able to make torches. I do not like using coal for anything but trading now, unless a particular build calls for coal, and then, well, honestly, I'll just use it because I need it. Boink. I need a shovel though. Shovel will be really handy. Let's see. Let's try this. Ah, so much better. Just move my phone around. Huh. A lot of little saplings from the tweez. I think I'll just take out this entire bunch right here. No, no, never, never, never going back here again. Yeesh, this is a tall tree. Oh, well. I was kind of hoping it was taller, just because that'd be cool. Oh well. Yes. Alright. Let's do this one. Get it down. And time for the uppity bump. Well, that's the end of that. That was fast. Yeah, one more tree. Lots and lots of little giblets dropping off. Let's get the rest of this done. And then let's go back to the village. Oh, wow. Well, okay, what do you know? Back to the village of Dinah. Oh, I do not want to be out here in the dark. Back. Hey. Right. Here, I'll plant you there. Plant you there. I'll put one here. Put one there. Put one there. Village! Yay, I'm back! Just need to find a place to stay. Uh-oh, witch. Yeah. There we go. That was scary. Gee whiz. Ooh. I wonder. I can cook food on this. But can I do this? Oops. Get you out of here. Now, boink. Okay, I want you there, you there. You there, you there, you there, you there, you there, you there, there. Ta-da! Okay. That's sad. Oh, shoot! I forgot, I take damage if I stand on those. No, it's snow. Actually, I don't mind it snowing. Oh, shoot! I don't even know where she is. I can't see her. Am I really gonna die? You better not. That's baloney. Blast furnace. Blast furnace, you're not doing it for me, my man. Oops. Alright, whatever. Oh! I forgot to plug you in. Probably do that. There we go. Now I don't have to worry about that. So, do worry about that witch. Low health. I wish I had a shield. I wish I had a bow and arrow. If I had a bow and some arrows. Knock that witch right off her feet. Man, I am scared. I can't see squat. So dense. I love the snow, but I don't want that witch. I am so shocked that this stuff is frozen and it's they're dry. You know what? I'm gonna make a bucket and I'm gonna fix that for you guys. It's gonna actually grow stuff. Maybe I'll get some magma cube, put it underneath of it. They're turning white! I hear a freaking skeleton. What the heck was that? That's a baby villager. Well, hello there, little guy. My voice is cracked. What is going on with your face? Weird. Okay. Probably go mining. Mining is a good idea. Oh, yes, this is the house that I want to stay and respawn at. Okay, come on. There we go. Respawn. What do we got here? Yes, I know. Why? Don't want you. I need a for blah 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 blah. I can't go mining yet. I need to make a. I'm in a can. I'm going to. Because I gotta get cobblestone. And I am not breaking this beautiful, ouch, stuff that's here. I mean, like, seriously, why would... What kind of sicko would do that? Destroy such a lovely place. So, I'm just gonna go mining. Right here. Right next to this tree. Because Why not? I didn't need to break those ones. So I'm putting that one back. I don't know if there's another one on there or not. But if there was, I will. I need a shovel. Stone! Yay! Stone Cold Steve Austin. Nice. Make short work of that. Okay, that. Alright, I'll stop there. Should have enough for one. There we go. There you are. Let's go! Alright. I want a stone slab. Okay. Because I want to place... it right there. So I'm going to place you there. Place another slab there. I'm going to place you there. Alright. Yes. Let's make some goodness. Okay, I'm gonna make a ton of sticks. Sticks. And then perfect. I will probably I'm gonna make a lot of torches. Yep, definitely. Make a lot of torches. Definitely. But wrong one. I need you so I can make you. Who's gonna do that? I'll take and now I don't have any stone left. Well, that's annoying. Let's go get some. Oh. Let's go to bed. Yay! Probably no more witch. I mean, no, she's probably long gone, but I'll be able to see! Everything's beautiful and white. I like the snow. I love it. I really do. But sometimes it's just a bit of a nuisance. And I'm sliding. Ah, there we go. Better. Arctic fox. You're one big fish, my boy. Oh, wow. Huh? You're my pet fish now. Oh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, it's a skeleton. What's that? That's a pig. Well, at least the doggy didn't get the fox. I'm glad I didn't have to kill him. I love foxes. I'm sorry. It's just my fox and I. Okay, I can't see squat down here. Yeesh. You, my friend, coming with me to make some lovely torches. Boop. 32. Done. Alright. Oh wait. I need you. I'm gonna hang on to those bones. I don't want any dogs. I honestly don't. I don't want any dogs. Don't need you. Don't need you. Don't need you. Nope. 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 Okay. Oh, the planks. Never mind. There we go. Honestly, let's be real. I need another chest. I need to make a big chest. Boink. There we go. Time to go down to the depths of places. Some people will probably watch this. Alright. Come on, let's do this. Man, I don't even know what this stuff's good for. I usually save like one stack of it in my other world and then be gone with it. the rest of it that I get. I don't even know if I can turn it into anything else. Oop, I should probably look into it. Alright, well, I'm going to stop the recording here because it hit 25 minutes. So, come on. Sorry about that. Trying to stop the recording is ridiculous. Come on. There it goes. Oh, you weirdo. I'm just going to start another one right after this. So, see you in the next video.